Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. We all know that most web traffic happens on phones, so your mobile site should not be an afterthought. It should be intentional. Today, let's dive in to how the Wix Harmony Editor makes mobile optimization incredibly fast using its fluid responsive engine. Let's get started. To get started, head to the top toolbar and click the mobile icon right over here. Unlike older editors that just squished your content, Harmony creates a dedicated mobile workspace. The best part? The Harmony engine has already done 90% of the work for you by automatically stacking your sections and resizing your elements while making sure that your fonts stay readable. Sometimes you want a different vibe for mobile. In Harmony, you can make local overrides. For example, if you have a large hero image that takes up too much room on a phone, you can resize it just like this, or you can even choose to hide it if you want to. Just right click and select hide. These changes won't affect your desktop version, giving you total control over the small screen experience. And just like your other elements, you can freely drag and drop them in place. So feel free to rearrange your elements until you're happy with the layout of your mobile site. And there you have it. With Wix Harmony's efficient tools and powerful AI assistant, optimizing your site for mobile has never been quicker and easier. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.